Hello my lovelies, how's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. So, what's on the recipe today, Jim? Well, Jim, if there is a Jim out there, this is a Finnish 5 Markka coin before the sad euro arrived. And there you go. That's an icebreaker. That ship is an icebreaker, which Helsinki is famous for making. Right, first of all, we have to punch a hole in it. And they make the best icebreakers in the world. I think you guys in the States are getting them over there as well. Made in Finland. They certainly build ships better than anybody else. Ask me how I know. This is Big Bertha. A 1-ton arbor press. No, a 20-ton hydraulic press. It's a bit early for me. There you go. She's there. She's a good one. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. Very kind of you. It costs you nothing and it helps me out no end. So if you're watching this and you haven't done it, there's a little button there, a little red one. If you press that, come on, press it. Press that, you're automatically subscribed. And hit the bell icon, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day. Or in Finnish language, that would be joka päivä, which is every day. So you're getting them. You're also getting a Finnish lesson as well. Come on, what more do you want? Right, we just want to clean up that edge, make sure it's nice and clean. Finland. -6 today. Blue skies though, no more snow. But it is icy out. No wind. Yeah, it's nice day. I don't know what -6 degrees C is in your language, but at least it's not -20, 25, or you know, which might come next month. But at this rate, I can't see it. There you go. Why have I got lots of shadow here? Was it me? Don't know. Right. Let's show it some love with Bernie. This is called annealing. If you're looking for a custom order, I'll help you make you a ring. You can even send me your own coins if you want. You've got a special coin that's got some sentimental value. And it's just sitting in a drawer. Take it out of the drawer, stick it in an envelope, post it to me. And I will post you a gorgeous looking ring. All filmed just like this and stuck on YouTube for you. Right, now we want one of these 17-degree folding die. A bit too small, just right. And then we want to go, yeah, we'll go with the date. So this is going to go face down in the die. Make sure it's level. We go over to Big Bertha. I'll be doing a bit more cleaning today in my room. You can actually see a bit of floor. Bloody hell. This is just my workroom. No wooden floors in here, otherwise it'd get trashed. Oh yeah. 1, 2. Look at that, even getting organised. Unbelievable, eh? Whatever next? So we just want to clean up the edge. Make sure there's no cracks forming. Yeah, I don't just do rings now, I do cufflinks with coins, earrings, bracelets, key fobs, cowboy hat key fobs. There you go, that's pretty gorgeous. Right, I think it's quite a thick coin, this one. Yeah, it's a thick old coin. So we'll show it a bit more love. Should do. Right, bit of kitchen roll. Dry it off. And then we go to spike. Oh yes, my favourite tool in the world. Most of these are made in India, believe it or not, and they're not bad. I mean, you can get, you know, some of them cost $500 or $600, but this is my second one. The first one exploded after a while because I noticed this was getting loose, and I didn't tighten it up, or didn't know how to tighten it up. And it broke. I got this one. This is a 6-spline one, and it's no problems. I think it's about, I don't know, $140. I mean, it ain't expensive, but it's a bloody good one. It's still solid. Well, when I say solid, it's not moving around that much. It probably needs tightening up a bit. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Saying that, it'll probably snap now, it'll probably break. Sod's law, isn't it? Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there, I can adjust the size for you, up or down. You can ask me what coins I've got. I've got a load of US and British coins. If there's anything you want to know, or anything you'd like me to make or do, or any ideas for future projects, hey, let me know. I've had a couple, which I will be doing. But next month I'm going to be making pendants that also incorporate dichroic glass, because I'm also a glass artist. Besides being an electrical engineer, I did that for 30, 40 years. 30 years? I don't know. And when I moved to Finland, I quit and turned my hobby into my job, which was glass making. And then got into coins. I love making coin rings. Right. Does it need a bit more? Yeah, maybe. Another pump or two. See, the bow has gone out of it, but it's a bit cone shaped, so we now go over to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reduction dies. There you go, you just find one it fits in. And you give it a bit of the old 1, 2. You're just trying to straighten the walls up. Yeah, that looks pretty sexy. Let me look with my eye, because looking through this camera, maybe a little touch the other way. Excusez-moi. How's that looking? A bit back. Yeah, if you're looking for a ring, all I need from you is your ring size. And there you go. That's better. All I need from you is your ring size, which you can get from a jeweller's. Forget the bits of string and the bits of tape, and you know, just go to a jeweller's. They do it for nothing. They think you're going to buy a ring. You know, give them some spiel. And I just pop in and say, oh, I'd like to buy this ring. I'm not too sure of my ring size, and I'll measure it for you, free of charge. And it's accurate, you know. You can't do it with bits of string and bits of tape, and even them plastic things you can buy, waste of bloody time. You know, there's a little window, little wet plastic like a zip tie. Don't bother. I bought some when I started, and they're unreliable as hell. This just cuts out that lip. There's a small lip in there. If you don't cut it out, it's uncomfortable to wear. There's still a bit in there. That's good. Let's take out Felton John and put in Kate Bush. This is just like quad zero steel wool on the end of this thing. It just gets the fire scale off, cleans it up a bit, but it's a bit sad. You don't have to press hard, you know, just lightly. Yeah, soon starts coming up. It's magic. Any of my Finnish friends out there looking for a ring? There you go. I've got loads of 1 Markka coins, 5 Markka coins, 10 Markka coins. the coins that have the text on the side as well. A bit more volume. There you go. Now this is called the Edwin look. You got the date there. Finland. Right. Let's get rid of Kate and put in Felton John. A bit of the old hoochie coochie on it. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's clean off the old mingers. What we got? Is it gorgeous? Or is it not? Yeah, it's coming up nice. My other half cleans his up afterwards. She sits on the sofa watching YouTube and gives his a good polish because my fingers are still covered in polish and oil and stuff like that. She does all the YouTube stuff for me, you know. Puts the videos on for me, takes the photographs. She even picks out quite a few of the coins for me to do. Shall I do this one, darling? No, you done one of them last week. All right, so she picks out some coins. She picked this out for me yesterday to do today. So guys, did you remember it's Valentine's Day today? Did you remember to get your loved one some flowers and some chocky? I did. I'm in the good books. And a card. There you go, folks. If you prefer this Edwin look, I could just run over it again with Kate Bush. But that's why you use the kitchen roll. You got the detail on the inside there. And there you go. Suomi, Finland. Beautiful, eh? What size we got? This is a size 10 and a half. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Hope you're all having a good, wonderful day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you're from. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.